I'm Corey Harding Keys of CHK Real Estate, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to our newest listing. A stunning custom-built home complemented with a perfect blend of modern elegance and timeless design, with over 5,000 square feet of highly functional contemporary living space. Welcome to 231 Troy Street. Let's take a look around. This home is designed with the utmost attention to detail and crafted exclusively with high-end features and finishes. There's so much to love you'll want to see for yourself. If you want to book a private showing, call me today.